हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, आज हम उल्फ रीअरेंजमेंट के बारे में स्टडी करने वाले हैं। उसकी जनरल रिएक्शन, उसका मैकेनिज्म और उसके एप्लीकेशंस आज हम देखेंगे। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। अल्फा डायोजोकीटोन्स ऑन ट्रीटमेंट विथ सॉलिड सिल्वर ऑक्साइड स्प्लिट ऑफ नाइट्रोजन एंड रीअरेंज टू केटीन is known as Wolff rearrangement. Here we can see this is alpha diazoketone. Diazo means this is an N2 group. Okay. Treatment with solid silver oxide, that means here Ag2O, split of nitrogen, that means here our N2, and rearrange to ketene. Here we can see CH double bond C double bond O, which is known as a ketene, and this reaction is known as the Wolff rearrangement. Okay, तो चलिए इसका मैकेनिज्म देखते हैं। Here we can see this is diazoketone, here our carbanion, and resonating structure of this carbanion, that means this diazoketone, is like this. So it is formation of our resonating structure. Here we can see O minus N plus. Okay, then the treatment with solid silver oxide, split of nitrogen and rearrange to ketene. Here formation of carbene takes place like this. Here we can see here this bond attack here, then double bond break like this, and N2 is removed like this. Okay, so here is the formation of carbene hour, and this carbene is rearranged like this. Here we can see rearranged like this. Okay, this R group is rearranged like this. This is our carbene, and it's rearranged to form ketene. This is our ketene. So this is the simple mechanism of Wolff rearrangement. तो चलिए इसके एप्लीकेशन भी देख लेते हैं। When the reaction is carried out in presence of water, alcohol, ammonia or amine, the highly reactive ketene readily reacts with the nucleophiles present, example water, alcohol, etc., to give respectively here acids, here esters, here amides, or here substituted amides. These are the applications of Wolff rearrangement. If our reaction is carried out in presence of water, here we can see this is water, so it forms, so water acts as a nucleophile and it forms acid. If our reaction is carried out in alcohol, here alcohol acts as a nucleophile and this is our ester. If our reaction is carried out in ammonia, then the ammonia acts as a nucleophile and our product is amide. And if the reaction is carried out in amine solution, then our product is substituted amides. Okay, तो ये थे 4 इसके एप्लीकेशंस। तो चलिए हम इन एप्लीकेशंस का मैकेनिज्म कैसे होता है वो भी देख लेते। So here is our first application when the reaction carried out in presence of water. Okay, here we can see water, lone pair of oxygen attack on the carbonyl carbon like this, and this bond is shift here. Okay, so this intermediate is formed, then this O minus attack here, and this double bond takes hydrogen from this. So this is the simple mechanism of acid formation. Here we can see acid is formed. If our nucleophile is NH3, for example here NH3, then lone pair of NH3 attack here, so here is also formation of NH3 plus, then this double bond take hydrogen from this, and our final product is amide, as we already studied. Okay, if alcohol, if amine, same mechanism followed by them. If RNH2, then here present of RNH2 here presents presence of lone pair attack on the carbonyl carbon. If ROH, then there are also 2 lone pairs present, they also attack on the carbonyl carbon, and the formation of ester or substituted amides or acids is formed like this. Okay, तो ये थी हमारी आज की Wolff rearrangement. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग।